Thank you for tuning in. We finally got our hands on another storage unit. We here in Collegeville, PA. Took us a little while to get here, about an hour and a half. We got a 5x15. Let's dive in and see what we got. Aha! 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 I see something. Aha! 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 We can't even pull this out right here. Just move these right here. What else over here in this corner? Nothing but blue mess.
They look like they're in pretty good shape, though.
Could be. It's in the sack. What may we find in the sack? $100? 100 million?
One could hope.
100 million. Found in storage unit. I think this is going to be dirty clothes.
Don't worry, we won't use that as clickbait.
Yeah, it's going to be dirty clothes. Well, look.
Do I owe some money?
Yes.
Looks
Yes.
like I do. Look at that.
Yes, and it's two.
And it's okay. Yeah, you're right.
Yes. Okay.
Oh my gosh.
Let's see. Let's see.
I'm excited for him, but I'm pissed I lost the bet.
Let's see. Let's see. What's in here? Oh yeah. That's nice.
Oh wow. That's a beauty.
Yeah, that's nice. Drop this stuff.
Okay, I think we're ready to go.
That's cool. Well, found guns in storage unit. Oh, make sure you get that. Might need that for a thumbnail.
Not bad.
What else is in here?
So looking to see what else. This is what's in here so far. Nice furniture.
Let's see what's in here.
Obviously, he was a hunter.
Yeah, he was blood pressure cup. What's in this too? Get your hair. Nah. Surgical. It's empty.
It's empty.
In good shape though. Probably can get $50 for this easy. couple of hunters' hats. Some more clothes.
Mm.
We have here. Some kind of Solinar. If anybody know what this is, please comment below. Tell me what it is.
I think we should just take that to an expert.
We gonna have to look. We gonna have to. We gonna have to. Tote number 2. See what we got. More
kitchen and cleaning supplies.
See what's in this top box.
Hope nothing breakable.
Here's something. A couple of hats.
Might have to bring that down a little bit more. You're taller than me.
Finish this. Pretty old alarm clock.
Mm-hmm.
Might have to see what that goes for on eBay. Shelf. I did see this. This was pretty interesting to me. For some reason.
It's like one of those things that they use to tell your fortune.
Got some personal effects, personal. It's not kidding. Okay. Interesting.
Some computer equipment. HP monitor.
HP monitor. Oh, it's the whole thing.
Yep. Hard drive.
Let me go on down deeper. Let me go in deeper. DVD player. What's that? Taller roll book.
I could use that though.
Desktop. Okay. Like a live well. Brand new frame paints. Use these. What's in here?
It's dusty.
Something at the bottom. And what is this? Pocketbook. With some pliers. Look like some grass. And some tubes. Yeah, this was a tube bag out of a pocketbook.
Yeah, stuffing it first.
We have another bag.
Please be $1 million.
Please, 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 please. We got stockings on stockings on stockings. Is there another bag? And there is another bag. Here's
Just to be $100.
tissue.
Okay.
Smoking flask, maybe. And we got some hot hands.
That's what you need.
Alright. Not bad, not bad. What else in here? Watch batteries.
Cool.
These are always good.
You always need them.
That means we're gonna find a watch. Possibly a watch collection.
Hopefully good watches. That would be nice. His favorite glove.
Woo. For walking shoes. Batteries. It says batteries.
And it's batteries.
Is this a penny bank?
That's a true piggy bank. That's kind of cute, though.
No cash in there. It's empty. Well, it's not empty. But Dial, my favorite soap. Antibacterial. What else we got down at the bottom of this thing? Old cowbell. That's probably $5-10 on eBay. Albino turtle shell. It's another bell.
Kids dinner.
Dinner bell. Let's see here. Ooh. I'll show that one later. It's not signed.
Still nice, though.
That one is signed. Need to look into that one. And look. This is pretty cool.
Oh, wow.
This is pretty cool. There's one missing. That is pretty cool. Sportsman fishing game collector knife.
It matches your truck.
It does. It does. That one right there.
Oh my gosh. That's actually really cool.
That's maybe $100, $200.
Definitely.
And knives. Easy.
Definitely. That's dope. Hopefully we'll find the other one.
It's not in there. Oh, that's pretty cool. That was alright.
That was a pretty cool box.
See what we have here. Okay. They done Japan.
Oh, that's beautiful. That goes in a fish tank, I think.
SpongeBob house. Not sure.
SpongeBob lives in a pineapple under the sea.
Oh. Yeah, more fish aquarium stuff. Pumps. Okay, heaters. Okay, is there a fish tank in here?
I have been wanting a fish tank.
Yes. Me too.
I want a frog in it.
Oh, glass. Let's see. Can't really see. Booth Bros, Philadelphia. Navelli. Nah, that's not Navelli. Marcus Hook, PA. Cool. There's coins in there.
There's coins in there.
Wow.
Oh, snaps.
We would have just
Mm-hmm.
donated that.
I'm curious of the significance of these.
People collect vintage bottles.
I know, but I want to know, like, where their origins from. But this is a nice cabinet to have. It already has the key with it.
This or that one first.
Let's do this one first.
Top drawer.
Top drawer.
What's in Pop's top drawer? That was easy.
Well, well.
Yep, that was easy.
Well, that's a great garbage piece.
Let's see
But Ace is good at fixing things, so maybe he can make some magic.
what is behind. Yeah. It's not much. Just an eagle. Masterpiece by Humka.
It's a beautiful eagle.
Yes. Oh. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my
Wow,
goodness.
wow, wow.
Oh my goodness. Sturm Ruger. Mm. 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 There's another one. There's another one.
Oh my gosh.
There's another one.
Oh shoot. This is getting out of control.
Oh my goodness. These are vintage. These are very old.
Oh my goodness. This is crazy.
P38.
Wow, guys. So that makes 4.
Yes. So far.
So far.
Wow. 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 Let me see. Okay, not that.
Hey, I like that. I can use that to hold something.
We're gonna hold these right now.
Oh my goodness. They should be right in the trunk. Oh, geez.
Weather station. $5.
Alright, let me back up out the way. Guys, we're going to move some of this stuff and we'll be right back.
Back at it. As you can see, we cleared out this pile. We got some of the stuff on the trailer going to the auction and Goodwill. Got another pile here full of Goodwill items, all mostly clothes. Let's grab a couple more items and see what else we got. Almost done. Almost done. Almost done. Almost done. Any more surprises that we need to know about?
I don't know. It seems like a nice trouble-free unit.
Nice old chair.
Oh, that is nice. That is nice.
Followed by his brother.
Oh.
Which is a rocket, okay.
Guys, always check under the cushions. People put money there.
Always. Alright. Let's see. Nice thick quilt.
Yeah.
Oh.
Ooh. Gross, gross.
Got more clothes. That's cool. Look yellow.
Did we check that out later? I don't know. It looks kind of gross.
Nice. Film set. Not bad.
That's nice. Headboard, footboard. That's nice.
Pull this house.
Watch those speakers on the top.
See?
With the saw, chop your head off.
Nothing but some danky blankets. Danky old mattresses.
But you know what? I think now's a good time to ask that important question that we ask on all our videos.
We paid $700 for this unit. And as you can see what we got. But do you think we made our money back or not? But I just need everybody to do me one, please, pretty, please do me one good favor. Is hit that subscribe button right under this video to the left and hit the bell for all notifications, and you will get any kind of notification that we're shooting a video on a storage unit find anywhere. Stay tuned because we will be doing more. Thank you for watching. O.A.T.H is out.
I gave you my heart.